MSc Economics and Management is a joint program between the Department of Economics and the Department of Management at the LSE, where basically we have some of the very best professors in both sides teaching.
The program's really small. You can have a lot of interaction with the professors, with the students, and so for me, I think that's the perfect choice for me.
I think what makes the program unique is the combination of serious analytical and data analysis training with top economics training to be able to have the tools required to do evidence-based management.
Luis and I are really fond of this program. We wanted to take economics students who really liked economic analysis, but who really wanted to see it used in a practical and useful way, and give them the kind of masters that they were looking for.
The Economics and Management program gives you a very strong framework in understanding industries and organizations in the real world.
A lot of judgments that were made by managers in the past on the basis of their intuition now have to be made on the basis of data and of analysis.
Well, in our program we learn a lot about how to go out in the market and collect data and work with imperfect data and still make very valuable predictions.
How is it different to an MBA? Well, the answer is very different. It's much more like an MSc Economics in the sense that we are indeed using some cases selectively and intensively, but always with this very strong analytical underpinning. And so the emphasis on bringing your economic analysis to bear and getting value from it.
I really value the fact that we still do the theory. So you don't just talk about the applications. First you do the theory, you learn the models, you solve them. So you're not sacrificing the theory in order to do the management side.
The LSE has a very wide range of courses in everything from finance to history, whatever you want to take, to complement your training and to really profit from what is one of the best specialized social science institutions in the world, if not the very best. Certainly London is a very unusual city. You're exposed to a very dynamic environment, very rich environment in terms of arts and culture, etc. You are in the center of the world. It's probably the capital of the world right now.